Hello, Namaste and Jutai. This is Vaishali Jarambusa. I welcome you all to Kolangma Express YouTube channel. Here we bring some updates of local, national and international news. Let's begin with the local news. All electrical engineer electrocuted to death at Bhagjan. Public sector unit All India Limited OIL suffered yet another setback as one of their young electrical engineer Arnav Kishore Bardolai of 25 years old was electrocuted to death at Bhagjan in Tinsukia district on Wednesday evening. All Assam Student Union along with 30 organizations of Assam from different communities held a joint meeting. All Assam Student Union AASU along with 30 organizations of Assam from different communities held a joint meeting at Hotel Park Continental to discuss about the report of Assam Accords Clause 6 yesterday. Now the news in national. Ministry of Railways of India inaugurated new rail. Ministry of Railways Government of India inaugurated new rail to connect South India with the capital of the country. The first ever Kishan Rail flagged off from the Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh to Adarsh Nagar, New Delhi yesterday. 90 years old woman raped, 37 years old accused arrested. Delhi police have arrested a 37 years old man. The incident took place in a scheduled southwest Delhi's Chawla region. Police said that on Monday the elderly victim was going to a nearby village when accused Sonu of 37 years old, a resident of Rawla Khanpur of Fort Har arrived. Now the news in international. Australia not worried about Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine trial pause. Australia is not worried about AstraZeneca place decision to put on hold its COVID-19 vaccine trial, said its Deputy Chief Medical Officer. AstraZeneca placed on Tuesday paused a late-stage trial of one of the leading COVID-19 vaccine candidates after an unexplained illness in a study participant. Now the news in education. Himachal Pradesh becomes first state to implement. The state project director of the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan will be the member secretary of the task force. The Himachal Pradesh government on Wednesday notified the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020. This way, Himachal is the first and only state in the country to implement the new National Education Policy. NEP Education Secretary Rajesh Sharma issued an official notification in the regard a day before. The Himachal Pradesh Cabinet had stamped the implementation of the National Education Policy last month. Now the news in sports. Cristiano Ronaldo marched to 100 international goals for Portugal. Incredibly for Ronaldo, just 17 of his 101 goals have come in friendly matches. Cristiano Ronaldo scored twice against 10-man Sweden on Tuesday to take him to 101 international goals for Portugal on Tuesday. The mythical 100 mark was broken on the stroke of half-time of a UEFA Nations League match against Sweden. Now the news in technology. PUBG Mobile 1.0 new update. Downloading this in India via alternate methods is illegal. PUBG Mobile fans in India might not have official access to the new V1.0 update, and any alternate methods are illegal. While mobile gamers in India are heartbroken with the recent ban of PUBG Mobile, a new update for the game has started rolling out globally. Update V1.0 brings the highly awaited Ernegal 2.0 map update along with the numerous visual upgrades to the game, including a new lobby layout, improved graphics and textures, and a lot of more. We would usually ask you to head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to update the game. However, with the recent nationwide ban on the game, alongside 118 more Chinese apps by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. One can no longer have access to download or update the game officially through these app stores. Now the news in entertainment. Rapper Rafter tests positive for COVID-19, self-isolates at home. I'm waiting to be tested again. I feel there must be some technical error because I am feeling fit and fine, said the rapper. Blackpink's All Access documentary Light Up the Sky to premiere on Netflix on October 14th. We can't wait to share our personal stories with Blinks all over the world through Netflix. We hope this film will bring joy and light to the viewers, and they will enjoy seeing our journey together on the screen from the past 4 years, the group said in a statement. That's all for today's news. We came live on Facebook page every Sunday. Please do join us, and also do like, share and subscribe to our channel Kholongma Express.